In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in Wondershare PDFelement. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left side here and you want to click on the comment tab. And here you have two different options to highlight. Now, the first one is just highlight, which highlights text. So if I click on that, I can select the color over here. For example, let's just do yellow this time. And you can go ahead and just basically highlight over any text here. And it's going to get highlighted into that specific color. So that's the first way. The second one is this one, which is actually called the area highlight. Now what this will do is, of course, again, it's going to allow you to select the color. This time let's just do green, and it's going to allow you to basically kind of create rectangles where you can basically highlight different areas. So it doesn't have to be just text. It could be, for example, like some blocks over here, some symbols, shapes, whatever. I'm going to highlight this part over here. So just basically drag and draw the file with your left mouse click, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to highlight that part, and of course I can do that anywhere inside my PDF. So that's how to highlight. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.